Hey, Blake here with the mini Airsoft grenade launcher. The supplies you'll need is a paper clip, a spring, a tube, a plastic tube that your spring will be able to fit inside, and something like this. You can just use like a small circular thing that'll fit in there and pick a hole through it and use string or whatever, but I just found this. Need pliers, don't need that, need a knife. Okay, so first what you do is you take your tube and your knife and you make a hole on one side, like towards the bottom. See it right there, and then one directly on the other side, and then same thing but opposite pretty much, like right here and then right there. Okay, now what you do is you make sure your spring will fit in there and be able to like slide easily, and if it doesn't, just take sandpaper or something and sand that out first, and then you take your paper clip and you break it in half and make sure that this is sanded down enough that it will slide easily. And then you just put your spring in there at the end with the holes. You take a straight piece of paper clip and you put it through the hole that you have made, through the spring and out the other hole. Then you take your pliers and you just bend them back so that it stays in one place. Alright, now you take this and you put it through the top part and make sure that it can pull the spring without popping out. Alright, and then it's done pretty much, and this will be your thing that you pull to make it fire. Then what you do is you pull that back. It's hard, very hard. Well, look at this. Look at this. You poke it through. Alright, there you go. And you just poke that through whenever you pull the spring back all the way. Then you dump your BBs in there and you pull that. Let me grab some BBs real quick. Just look at that. Alright, I'm back with a couple BBs. You should be able to fit a lot in there, but I'm only going to put like 7 or so. So that's all I got. Alright, now I'm going to shoot it at that wall. Alright, ready? Ow. See ya.